had to change something within my heart. I didn't know I could feel like this. Running away, trying to keep myself alive. First I knew I was.
In today's digital age, where most people spend a significant amount of time online, digital marketing has become an essential aspect of any business strategy. Digital marketing involves using digital channels to promote a brand, product, or service to potential customers, and it has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its numerous benefits. In this video lesson, we will discuss the importance of digital marketing and why businesses should incorporate it into their overall marketing strategy. Increased reach. One of the most significant benefits of digital marketing is the ability to reach a larger audience. With the growing number of internet users worldwide, businesses can use digital marketing to target specific demographics more effectively. Digital marketing channels such as social media, search engines, email marketing, and online advertising provide businesses with the opportunity to connect with potential customers and engage with them in real time. For example, social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram have become an integral part of many people's daily lives. Businesses can use these platforms to create brand awareness, build customer relationships, and promote their products or services to a large audience. Social media allows businesses to engage with their audience, respond to customer queries and feedback, and create a sense of community around their brand. Similarly, search engines like Google and Bing provide businesses with the opportunity to reach potential customers who are actively searching for their products or services. By optimizing their website for search engines, businesses can appear higher in search engine rankings and attract more organic traffic to their website. Cost-effective. Digital marketing is typically more cost-effective than traditional marketing methods such as print and television advertising. With digital marketing, businesses can reach a large audience without having to invest a significant amount of money in advertising costs. For example, social media advertising allows businesses to target specific demographics and interests, and they only pay for the clicks or impressions they receive. Email marketing is another cost-effective digital marketing method that businesses can use to reach their target audience. By building an email list, businesses can send targeted emails to potential customers, promoting their products or services and driving traffic to their website. Measurable results. Digital marketing campaigns can be easily tracked and analyzed, providing businesses with valuable insights into their target audience's behavior and preferences. For example, businesses can track the number of clicks, impressions, and conversions their digital marketing campaigns generate, allowing them to measure their return on investment, ROI. By analyzing this data, businesses can gain valuable insights into their target audience's behavior and preferences. They can use this information to optimize their digital marketing campaigns, improving their ROI and driving more traffic and conversions to their website. Flexibility. Digital marketing campaigns can be quickly adjusted and optimized based on real-time data, allowing businesses to stay agile and adapt to changing market conditions. For example, if a social media campaign is not generating the desired results, businesses can adjust their targeting, messaging, or creative to improve performance. Similarly, if a website is not generating enough traffic or conversions, businesses can make changes to their website design, content, or user experience to improve performance. Digital marketing provides businesses with the flexibility to experiment with different approaches and quickly adjust their strategy based on real-time data. Brand building. Digital marketing provides businesses with the opportunity to build and maintain their brand image across multiple platforms. By using social media, content marketing, and email marketing, businesses can create a consistent brand message and communicate it to their target audience. For example, by creating engaging and informative content that resonates with their target audience, businesses can position themselves as thought leaders in their industry. By building a strong online presence, businesses can create a sense of authority and trust around their brand, making it easier to attract and retain customers. Increased engagement. Digital marketing allows businesses to engage with their target audience in real time, fostering brand loyalty and driving customer retention. For example, by responding to customer queries. In conclusion, digital marketing has become an essential component of any successful business strategy. With its ability to reach a larger audience, by incorporating digital marketing into their overall marketing strategy, businesses can stay competitive in today's digital age and succeed in their respective industries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for regular updates. Presented by Easy Scholar Team.